Finally, I want to share with you the hadith of the Prophet ﷺ about Laylatul Qadr. He says, "Man qama Laylatul Qadri imanan wa ihtisaban, ghufira lahu ma taqaddama min dhanbihi." Whoever can stand in the night of Laylatul Qadr, meaning pray. So the best thing you can do in Laylatul Qadr, as the night starts, is pray. Nawafil, nawafil, nawafil. And the best thing you can do is when you're in sajda, just make du'as. Just cry to Allah and make du'as. But then Allah didn't just say pray. Or the Prophet didn't just say pray. He gave certain qualities to that prayer. So let me explain those qualities to you. One, imanan. Whoever prayed before Allah out of faith, meaning it's not just faithfully, they were driven, they were completely convinced that this prayer is going to be the best thing that's happened to me. They have this confidence and this reliance on Allah in these prayers like no other. That's one. Then wahtisaban. Ihtisab means someone who takes full stock of themselves. I'm aware of my sins, I'm aware of my flaws, I'm aware of what I've done, I'm aware of what I'm ashamed of before Allah, and I'm coming before Allah standing in prayer, ashamed and humiliated and completely convinced that Allah will forgive me and bless me. Like a confessional prayer. This is a confessional prayer, ihtisaban. If you can pull that off, غُفِرَ لَهُ مَا تَقَدَّمَ مِن ذَنْبِهِ. Whatever took place of any kind of embarrassing sin such a person had done has all been guaranteed to be forgiven. May Allah Azza wa Jal help all of us find Laylatul Qadr.